Sorry to interrupt your day, but our dealership just received some breaking news from GM Canada, announcing the return of the much-anticipated Canada-wide clearance annual event. For those of you unaware, this is like open season for some of the sharpest deals on the remaining inventory from the current model year, and your chance to get your hands on one of our GM models with one of the largest percentage discounts we've seen in years on some models.
Yes, Melinda, you're right. Canada-wide clearance could allow Canadian vehicle shoppers to enjoy interest rates as low as 0% on approved credit if they're looking for a small payment, or cash purchase credits as high as $15,000 if they prefer a cash deal. But contrary to most promotions throughout the year where the incentives are available on our models for the whole duration of the event, the up to 20% and up to 25% of MSRP in cash credits are inventory specific, and once these vehicles are sold, these specific deals are gone forever.
This first-come, first-served opportunity will heavily reward people who will move fast to take advantage of the steep discounts currently available. So, if you are considering upgrading your current vehicle in the next year, I urge you to call our dealership or use the form available on the special website we created for the event to tell us which of our models you are considering, so we can provide you with the available cash credit. This will allow you to make an educated decision about your opportunity to upgrade. Mike, can you give viewers a few examples of the incentives they can expect when calling?
Yes, Melinda. On the Chevrolet side of things, deal seekers looking for the smallest payment possible can enjoy on approved credit interest rates as low as 0% for up to 84 months. That's 7 years without paying a penny in interest. And for the insatiable bargain hunter looking for a cash deal, certain Chevrolet models are available with up to 25% of MSRP in cash credit. That's not a typo, that's a massive 25% and one of the largest percentage discounts we've seen in years.
Wow, Mike, that's literally 1/4 of the price in cash credit. That is unheard of on GM models in Canada. What about Buick?
Select Buick models like the Encore, Envision, and Enclave are offered with 0% for 72 months on approved credit, while other models are available with up to $7,650 in cash purchase credits.
Are the GMC models also part of the Canada-wide clearance event?
Most certainly, Melinda. GMC models are available with up to 25% of MSRP in cash credit, which could help vehicle shoppers moving fast to enjoy up to $15,000 in cash purchase credit. I didn't think of upgrading until next year, but these incentives are making me really rethink my timing.
Well, you've heard the news and how urgent it is to act on it if you want to get your hands on one of the available models. Mike, anything to add before we end the broadcast? Mike? Well, I guess Mike couldn't wait. You can still beat Mike to the dealership by using the link underneath this video to tell us about the GM model you are considering so we can provide you with the discount available. This is Canada-wide clearance, and the deals are on a first-come, first-served basis, so act quickly.